Hey guys, I'm going to try some new things, plus one I have tried before. Firstly, here's from the click the subscribe button and turn on notification about if you want more. So, I'm trying to make gluten-free cookies for the first time ever. Yeah, some cookies gluten-free. Next thing I have, what is this called? Lord. And what do you think is in it? It's tea. So I made it earlier, so it's hot a little bit now. So yeah, let's just open the cookies. We're gonna do the cookies. It's a little hot at the moment, so yeah. This is not that flash. So if you like tea, put your hands up because I love it. I love it. So let's just put my tea down there and open the cookies. And don't forget to subscribe to my TikTok as well. I have TikToks as well, so yeah. So yeah. Right, I'm gonna get the first cookie out. Some vanilla in it. And then yeah. This one on the floor, so yeah, I'm gonna put that aside. Well, yeah. So yeah. I'm back. So yeah. So I did this cookie in there. And try it. I'm trying it outside of the rim first, and then the middle. Ooh, that tastes like vanilla. It does. And with the biscuit out there around. So I'm gonna do more. Guys, if you want to why I coughed, cause I think I have the flu, but no, definitely must be the flu. This is nice. It is. Nice and hot. Some cold. So, what I'm going to say is I'm going to rate them out of 10 now. These cookies. So, the gluten-free cookies I'm going to rate out of 10 is it's 20 out of 20. So they have a good, like, middle bit, and the middle bit gets to 10. The outside rim gets a 10 as well. Then gluten-free altogether gets 20 out of 20. At 20. And the tea with the biscuits on tastes 10 out of 10. Grey cream 10 out of 10, which is 40. I need to get up to 60 or 70 or maybe 30. Right, the flask need so yeah, 10. The tea inside is 10. The flask itself pouring in is 10. So which is 70, which A has a good flavour and B really nice. So add 2 more 20s on it, which is a 90 and 110. So that's 110 stars. Plus, I'm in my bedroom at the moment, just chilling. So I'm playing on my tablet as well, or watching shows, yeah. So thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow or late this afternoon. Yeah. Bye.